My name is Ruel Elijah. I'm an artist, creator from Cardiff, Wales. Independence to me means to be able to rely on your own guidance, to be able to rely on the words of others, but molded into what you think independence is, And there should be a core of somebody, but not the whole of somebody, When it comes to being independent, there needs to be also a balance, and that's where you meet in the middle of ego and true self, you know what I mean? You shouldn't be too strong to be like, you can stand alone at all times, because even at when there's no one around, you're still looking to life or to the universe, wherever you want to call it, for guidance, So you can never do anything alone. You need that truth within yourself to know, I'm able to be independent up until here, and then at this point, I'm gonna need some help. Wales is a breath of fresh air, I think. I feel like it's an underdog to many places in the world, actually. I've been many places around the UK and trying to find that place where I feel connected spiritually, and I feel like it's got a sense of freedom, a sense of peace. If Wales did go independent, what does it represent? It's not something that is on my mind every day. I don't know if it's something that everybody thinks about each day. I think once we get to a place where we can maybe dream a little bit more and build up Wales and add to it. As people, I feel like we've got a high vibe anyway in Wales. But I think if we knew how good Wales was and we knew how good the energy was, we would be striving for more. I'm from a creative hub, that's all I know is, music, dance, acting and stuff like that. It's natural to us to be independent and dream and have that mindset. But outside of that, I don't know how other people think, and are they even afraid to take steps to be independent? Freedom is so important. Freedom of expression, freedom of creation, freedom of voice, freedom of opinion. I feel like that's where I get from Wales when I do think about it. That should be encouraged, and that can only be encouraged through more exposure of maybe other people's culture within Wales, and knowing that Wales doesn't have one face.